Okay, I'm back with more of me taking apart my old laptop. I haven't done too much. I've basically removed the metal parts that were here. Um, these basically sat on there, and the yeah. And I removed the hard drive, 40 gigabyte hard drive. Um, and some little battery thing from the back, which was right in that little pocket right there. So, alright, I found this little teardown on the internet on my iPad, so kind of cheating, but whatever. You know what? I don't care. Um, and this is a whole different, but this is a different laptop or different model. Still an IBM though, so it's gonna be a little harder. So it won't be harder. It'll be a little different for me. So let's see what we can get. Move that aside. Move the screws. Metal. Let's get these. No, no, that's attached to it. Get the hard drive out of there. Battery. Hard drive. Covers. Alright, and the charger. We don't need. I don't even know I have the charger out. Right. Okay, so. Yeah, let's see what we can get out of here. Alright, so we're going to try to take the keyboard off, which should just pop off, I'm hoping. Oh, there we go, that's good. Okay. Now, this disconnects from there. Oh, cool. Alright. That's awesome sauce. I wonder if we could still use this. Well, all I have to do is hook it up to an Arduino, and I could probably get a... I don't know, that's pretty cool. Alright, so got the keypad off. That's awesome. Found the fan, heatsink. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, what's this? Read user's manual. No, that's not. Mexico. Okay. Let's see, what is this? This, I think that's for the trackpad. Okay, so we'll get the screwdriver back. Get my light, and we'll see what we can tear out now. Alright. Where'd my magnet go? Is that it? Yes. Okay. Pull the screw out. Oh, too big. Too big. Oh, cool. Alright, so. Alright, look what we got in there. A little blower. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, sit you down on the dock again. There we are. Okay. What else do we need? Where's the small screwdriver? Okay. Alright, let's go. Let's start moving the smaller screws now. See what we can dig up in here. Okay, apparently we're getting hail. Let's see if there's anything we can actually view from outside. Nope, can't really see anything. Anyway, alright, so we'll get back to this now. Alright, let's pull this off. Alright, so we'll finish up screwing some stuff. Screw in the bucket. I should have a smaller screwdriver somewhere. I don't know where it is, but yeah, about that. I also wish I had some sort of drill or something, or small little screwdriver, electronic screwdriver. That'd be a little easier to pop this stuff out. Alright, I found this. Guessing the CPU is under this heat sink. Oh, I can't even see that. I'm guessing the CPU is under here. Let's see if I'm right. Well, let's go see if we can get any hail now. I know, we'll go check it out anyway. I don't know what to say. You see any hail? Probably not. Alright, whatever. Nothing exciting. We'll go back to this. Jeez, I just wasted like 2 minutes on that. Oh, God dang it. God dang it. I lose concentration quickly. Anyway, back to this. I talk a lot. Let's see if we can pull the blower out now. That's cool. That's cool. I've never seen a blower, but I've never really had a blower before. Pull this thing out. What do we got in here? Alright, here's a trick I learned off YouTube. If you take a neodymium magnet and run it down the screwdriver, it will magnetize the screwdriver. Like that. The longer you do it, the better it'll stay. This is cool. Awesome. Wow. Look at all that dust. So I got the heatsink right here, and the blower. That's pretty cool. I like that. That's awesome. Got some thermal glue on there. Anything else? I'll pop this off now. Alright, let's see if we can at least pop this cover off before we go. There's gonna be a few parts in this video. Yeah, I'm just gonna cut it right now, upload it, and then I'll get started again. Goodbye.